Hello.
Hello, my name is Ștefan. I'm from Pitești, Romania. I'm a student at the IT faculty. I'm currently in the last year, so I'll be graduating this year. My ISEC experience is limited only to the local committee, and this is one of the reasons I came here in Belgium to experience the internationalism of ISEC, and also to become a trainer to learn more about becoming a trainer and how to deliver good training. I think that you have to be able to deliver good training if you are in ISEC. It's like a basic thing you have to do. You must know how to do that. Actually, there is another story about ISEC. For example, at the university, I took up classes for educational module in order to become a professor. And at the end of those classes, we had practical hour with the teenagers in the high school. And because in the induction I was given a team building, I thought, okay, let's do this with the high school, see what happens. And I talked to the teacher, it was okay, the class was also good, and I've managed to give them a non-formal training, or informal training. So I think this is the key to a trainer, to blend the formal education with informal. And what I can tell you, anything else about me, my hobbies, I'm very fond of music from 60s, 70s. I find it, I like jazz very much. I also read. You can always ask me about my latest book that I read. There's no problem, even the authors and so on. Another thing that I like, in Pitești we have a local philharmonics or opera, as you may know. It's a new opera. It's open for most 2 years, so it's a good thing to visit and to be at a concert. I hope that this TTT will give me a baseline for what training is, and I hope I know I'll have a good experience, and I hope to share it with the members back home.